This is a rubber sole of a leather winter boat. It's very old, and some years ago it started to crack here at the front. I took a sandpaper, you see the left, and cleaned it out and let it dry in a bit of a warm place, maybe cleaned again with sandpaper. Then I applied contact glue. It was probably good because it stays a bit flexible with this little wooden thin thing. And I remember now I also put to the far left this rubber from a bicycle inner tube. So I cut a piece of that which fitted to the front here and glued it on. It's been falling off, as you see, and I didn't have it this winter. And was no problem. I've been walking in slush and water and no leakage. It's broken there, I think, because it's a seam. It makes the rubber sole a bit losing its strength. Yeah, it can be, you can go, instead of buying new ones for $100, you carry on with these ones year after year.